Welcome, welcome, boys. Okay, we're back with the P71 today, because one day after getting everything fixed and driving it, we have an engine light. Because why wouldn't we, right? Okay. Let's see what the problem is. It was misfiring earlier, so I suspect we have a misfire of some sort. Hopefully it narrows it down to a particular cylinder for me so we can get this thing nice and fixed. So we have one trouble code. Cylinder 5 misfire. Huh. Okay. Alright, well, let's get to the bottom of it, shall we? Let's see if we can fix this beast. Okay, so let's get this cover off. If I remember correctly, this is cylinder number 5. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if I remember correctly, I think this is a 7mm. Feels like that'll work. Might just have a bad coil. I have a bunch of spare ones. Alright. Yeah. It looks okay down there. Maybe a little gummy from that dielectric grease. Alright. Alright. Alright, that feels connected to me. So let's go back into the car now. No one's going to hit anything in here, right? You know, just to make sure we don't have any excessive vibration causing a ruckus. Move everything out of the way. Okay, let's clear the code. What do you say we pack that stuff up and go for a ride, boys? Okay, boys, so let's take her on a little bit of a test drive, make sure everything's all nice and good to go. I really hope this fool wasn't going to run that light. I was thinking suspicion he was going to. Alright. misfiring, or am I just hitting all these damn bumps and potholes in the city? Hard to tell without an engine light. And you would pull out right in front of me, Holmes. I guess he's pulling over. So he pulled over and let me get ahead of him. Wow, that's kind of weird. So anticipating he's an enemy, go right. There we go. People do that up here all the time. They'll like pull over and then let you pass and then they get right behind you. And I'm like, well, I'm assuming he's trying to carjack me. He'll follow me somewhere and do that, so I just either turn off or I immediately pull over and let them get in front of me. Alright, so brakes are working. Seems to be accelerating okay. Let's come to a traffic light and idle. Alright. Let's give her some hell, shall we? Seems to be doing okay. Let's put it in neutral. Seems to be idling okay. Seems to idle fine with the engine or the AC off as well. Just make sure that we don't have any pending codes or anything. Actually, you know what? No pending codes, okay. No store code, obviously, because the engine light's not on. I am readiness. How many are ready? I got time to look through all that. How's about system status? So we have 6 OKs, 2 incomplete, which I'm assuming are the EVAP and the CATs. So those do take the longest. Their butt stop right here? I'm guessing so. Alright, let's give her the beans one last time. Seems to be doing okay. Alright, everything seems to be idling okay, but just to make sure we don't have anything wrong with the brakes. I think that seems fairly normal. Alright, everything seems to be okay. Brakes are operating at a decent temperature. Engine's running smoothly now. So, we'll just keep an eye on it, make sure we don't have any more engine lights or anything like that. And, I'd say we're golden then. So, another successful repair. Hopefully it stays that way. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.